Previously on LCD LED TV Repair Secrets. Yet another one where one side is fine and one side is dark. Well, things are not looking good here. This is really bad. Well, results are quite a bit different from what I had expected. I don't really see the line I was thinking that we were going to see here. We do see all the LEDs across the bottom. I'm thinking a piece of black tape down here would mask that out, or even a little piece of black cardboard, craft board. You would never know it was there. You wouldn't see those LEDs, and I guess somebody would be happy with this, maybe. Well, as luck would have it, a second, nearly identical TV came in with a cracked screen. So what you're looking at right here is that second TV. It was the exact same model number, but the screens were slightly different. So I took the screen from the previously shown TV that had the cracked light guide plate and didn't come out so well. I took that LCD and swapped it into this one that had the cracked screen. Now initially, the picture only displayed on the top 2/3. There was a big black area at the bottom. And that's because the scan rate was different. So I swapped in the digital board from the previously shown TV, and together with that I had to swap in the Wi-Fi module because that was also slightly different. So this is that second TV with the screen from the first one, the digital board from the first one, the Wi-Fi module from the first one, and it looks great. But that's not why I made this video. We've been testing this TV all summer. It's on the hearth, and I've got it up on those two little black blocks. Now I painted them black so that you don't see them. And we've angled the TV up. So number one, the TV is on the floor. It's not on the wall. Now I'm sitting back on a couch that's about 6 feet from the face of the TV. And of course the couch cushion is about another 2 feet. So that's your lean back distance, 8 feet. Now the TV is angled. And the angle of the TV, we're just average height people, the angle of the TV hits my eye exactly perfectly. So when I'm looking at a landscape, the ground is at ground level. If it's a sporting event, the field is at a natural level. And it's as if I'm sitting in the stadium looking down on the court or looking down on the field. It's where it's supposed to be. The field is not up in the sky somewhere. Also, if you're an old person like me and you're wearing eyeglasses and you have bifocals or progressive lenses, if your TV is mounted on the wall, then you know you've got to tilt your head back, and that causes you to look through the wrong section of your glasses. This way, you're looking through the right section of your glasses. Everything is exactly where it's supposed to be. The plane of view is correct. So that's my position. We've been watching TV all wrong. TV actually belongs on the floor. You need to put some little blocks under it. These are 2x4 offcuts, just like this. You don't see them because I painted them. Now if you were a lot taller than me, you would probably want maybe to stack 2 of those. This video can't possibly show you the difference between watching TV this way and watching that same TV up on the wall. Within seconds, this 43-inch TV just sucks you into the scene. The ground is at the correct level. Even your pets who've never watched TV before will start watching television. because everything is where it's supposed to be, and there's so much less eye strain. What a pleasure it is. So we have much bigger TVs in this house, but this is what we've been watching all summer, even though it's one of the smallest TVs we own, because it's at the right angle. Their feet. Your feet. If you try this, you have nothing to lose. It won't cost you a penny. You can use paperback books, whatever you've got. You want to get the angle of that screen exactly perpendicular to your eyeball. As if you put a T-square on that and the long ruler of the T-square came right back directly to your eye. Minimal eye strain, great watching experience. Sit back about 8 feet like I am right now. You will be amazed at how improved your TV viewing experience is. So I hope you give it a try. I hope you leave a comment, let others know what you think. I think you're going to like it. So give it a try. Thanks for watching.